Hi and welcome to Audio Advice's demo room. This is our home cinema room. We're primarily known for our car hi-fi, but a few years ago we went into home hi-fi. So I'm just going to take you through our home room. The products we use in this room primarily are all the speakers are Focal. Our TV unit is a Pioneer 50-inch plasma. We also use for our 2-channel hi-fi, we use Name Audio. For our AV processing we use a mixture of Pioneer and Onkyo. That's the large Onkyo processor there and DVD player below it. These speakers are Focal's berylliums. They're the Electra BE in walls. They mount right into the wall. Very expensive speakers. They're £1,500 per unit. We have 3 left, right and centre channel in our room, so we can have this room completely clear and free of any furniture whatsoever. We can take all these speakers here along the front away and leave the room completely free of any speakers, which means it's great for the kids. They've nothing to poke or dent. The beryllium speakers do have grills on them. We don't have them on. They look too nice to hide. We have painted grills the same tone as the wall colouring. As you'll see at the back, we have their profile 908 in walls, again with the same wall tone. So they have the grills on. The in-wall system runs 7.1. These are our surrounds and side surrounds. Course 800 series bipolar surrounds. We also have a second 5.1 system, which is the Name unit. This is the Name Envy. Sadly discontinued now. And if anybody wants to purchase this model, they could pick it up at a very nice price. We also have our 800 subwoofer, which sits in the corner of our room. And this is a 13-inch drive unit. All the cables in the room are cord. These speakers here, the larger ones, are the limited edition 816 WSEs. Nice speakers. They have the W sandwich cone in them. Really nice speakers, and the ones beside them are the little entry level 700 714s, about £599 for that pair. Thanks for your time on viewing our home cinema room. I hope you've enjoyed it. If anybody wants to have a demo of our home room, feel free to pop in, come and see us, and you can sit in this quite comfortable leather seat. Thanks a lot. Good night.